Hey everyone, it's ET coming back at you again with part 2 of the saga, fixing up this jet ski. The last video, I think I got it. Well, that was a bust. Put it in the water, and it did exactly as the customer was stating. Wouldn't accept throttle, and very quickly gave me a constant horn, which I assume is overheating. I have to do a little bit of research. But with that being said, I went to go put it back on the trailer. I slipped in. So now I am soaking wet, busted my knee up, my shin up, but I mean, part of the job, what are you gonna do? So let me do a little bit of research, and I'm probably gonna go get a thermostat. So see you guys in a little bit. Okay, we're gonna attempt to take the water pump off down in here and inspect it and go from there. Start off with getting some hoses off, I guess. Oh. I guess that's one way to drain the coolant. Ah, man. I guess we'll just go ahead and let this fall back down in there and drain all the way out. We'll just jack the motor up, or the trailer up, and let it drain out the drains. This is what you call an Oedeker clip. As it cinches around, see that groove right there? That little piece goes in there, and as it cinches around, these little clips right here, boom, boom, and then the lock get pulled in to where they get sucked into those. And once that last one gets locked in, it's locked. Put them over on that side, out of our way. Here we've got the thermostat in that hole. So now we got to figure out how to get that nipple off. Could prove to be a little challenge. Okay, so I pulled the thermostat off, which is held inside the water pump housing. Everything looks good there. I took off a coolant temp sense. It looked good. I cleaned everything up. I completely drained the coolant, and I'm going to top it off with fresh coolant. It says every year, or maybe stretch it out to 2 years, depending on how much you use it. But you're supposed to change the coolant fairly so often, and I highly doubt this customer's done this. So I'm going to top off this coolant with some fresh coolant, and I guess go inside the pump housing and physically feel the pump, the jet pump, and verify it's not scratching. Alright everybody, it's the next day. We got rained out yesterday afternoon. Quite a bit of rain too. Hopefully that'll help with our drought that we've been having. So I'm going to double check the coolant. I topped it off yesterday. I did a coolant flush, topped it off yesterday. I'm going to double check it, and then I'm going to check out the jet pump. So now that I got a quicker tool, let me get down there and check it out. Okay, I looked it up and it said anything over 0.35 millimeter of a feeler gauge and between the impeller fin and the cone, it needs to be replaced. I know this is not looking the best. I'm having you down here with no tripod. I'm doing it by hand. Okay, so that came out looking okay. Alright, so I topped off the reservoir, let it burp a little bit more, topped it off. Climb up in here. So checked out the exhaust. It's nice and clean and empty. I checked out this little junction hose. Sometimes when they overheat, these guys can swell up on the inside. It looks amazing. I checked out the resonator. The resonator looks good. Checked out our hoses. All of our hoses look good. You have a temp sensor back here. It looks amazing. I don't know, guys. I have no idea. So I'm going to fire it up on the hill one more time and then take it to the water again. Let's cross our fingers that we got it. All right, everyone, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I have to accept defeat on this. I don't know what's going on. That's my third water trip. Same thing. No reverse, no forward, and a constant horn. I've checked out the thermostat. I've given it a coolant flush. I've topped off the oil. I've flushed the block out. I don't know. He needs to take it to the actual jet ski mechanic, the Sea Doo mechanics. So that's going to wrap this up on this project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, so every time I drop a new video, you're informed. All right, you have a great day.